Known by many as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Edward Buffett is one of the most renowned and successful investors in the world. Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska, on August 30, 1930. From a young child enthralled with the stock market, he went on to become the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, one of the biggest and most prosperous conglomerates in the world. His story is one of financial acumen, unwavering values, and an unmatched dedication to long-term value investing. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Early life and influences. Warren Buffett's upbringing and family influenced his early financial experiences. Warren's mother, Layla Stahl Buffett, fostered his interest in business and investment from an early age, while his father, Howard Buffett, was a stockbroker and a member of Congress. Buffett's voyage into the world of finance began at the age of 11, when he bought his first stock, 3 shares of Citi's Service Preferred. During his adolescent years, Buffett became more fascinated with investment and devoured any book he could find on the subject. Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor and Security Analysis were among his early inspirations. Buffett's investment strategy would eventually be based on Graham's value investing concepts, which emphasize a company's intrinsic worth above its market price. The early years of investment. Following his graduation from Columbia Business School, where he studied under Benjamin Graham for a master's in economics, Buffett worked for a short while in his father's brokerage business before joining Graham's company, Graham Newman Corporation. But it was when he went back to Omaha and formed his own investment partnerships that things really began to change for him. Buffett established Buffett Associates Limited, a limited partnership, in 1956 to handle money for close friends and relatives. His investment approach was based on the ideas of value investing, which emphasizes paying attention to a company's inherent worth, potential for profit, and managerial caliber. The foundation for the profitable investing techniques that would come to characterize him in later years was established at this early stage of his career. Berkshire Hathaway and the textile industry. Buffett started purchasing stock in Berkshire Hathaway, a faltering textile manufacturing firm, in 1962. Buffett thought the company's shares was cheap despite its financial difficulties. He eventually gained control of the company and became the chairman of the board. However, Buffett quickly discovered that the initial business model was unsustainable due to the difficulties faced by the textile sector. Buffett made the choice to refocus Berkshire Hathaway on the insurance sector in response to intense competition from overseas manufacturers, which would completely change the company's outlook. Transformation into a conglomerate. When Buffett utilized Berkshire Hathaway's cash flows to buy other companies in the late 1960s, the firm started to undergo a metamorphosis. The enormous insurance company National Indemnity Company was one of his noteworthy 1967 purchases. With this change, Berkshire started to transform into a more diverse corporation. Buffett has amassed a vast portfolio of businesses over the years, including everything from consumer products and technology to insurance and energy. Among the notable purchases were Dairy Queen, Geico, Benjamin Moore, and See's Candies. He used an investing approach known as economic moats, which included making long-term investments in well-managed businesses that had significant competitive advantages. The Buffett Partnership Era. In order to make room for more investments, Buffett broke up the original Buffett Associates Limited Partnership in 1969 and founded Berkshire Hathaway. The name of the corporation would eventually be associated with profitable long-term investment. During this time, Buffett's investing philosophy was defined by his emphasis on purchasing undervalued firms, his hands-on management style, and his adherence to Benjamin Graham's teachings. His aptitude for spotting businesses with solid core principles and management groups who shared his viewpoint came to define his investing approach. The influence of Charlie Munger. Buffett's relationship with Charlie Munger, who was named vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway in 1978, is a vital component of his narrative. Munger, a sharp thinker and a successful investor, offered another viewpoint. Buffett and Munger were a dynamic team that enhanced each other's abilities and helped Berkshire Hathaway succeed. Munger's impact went beyond the financial world. He popularized the term Lollapalooza effects, highlighting the significance of taking into account a variety of variables that may have an influence on a choice. In addition to enhancing Berkshire Hathaway's reputation, Buffett and Munger's collaboration enhanced the underlying principles of their investing strategy. The Berkshire Hathaway Annual Shareholder Letters. Many people consider Buffett's yearly letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders to be masterworks of business theory and investment. Buffett started publishing his observations, ideas, and insights about the market, investment, and the companies in the Berkshire portfolio in 1977. These letters turned become a goldmine of knowledge for enthusiasts and investors, giving readers a rare look into Buffett's head and insightful advice on long-term investment. Financial crisis and economic downturns. During periods of economic upheaval, Buffett's investing strategy proved to be resilient. At the beginning of the 2008 financial crisis, Berkshire Hathaway shares saw a sharp decrease. Buffett's faith in the fundamental worth of the businesses in his portfolio, however, did not waver. He made two very important investments at a time when many others were hesitant: $5 billion to Goldman Sachs and $3 billion to General Electric. This decision would subsequently be hailed as a masterstroke. Buffett's behavior throughout recessions shone his conviction in seizing market opportunities when others would be hesitant. During these difficult times, his dedication to long-term value investment and his faith in the tenacity of American companies emerged as recurring themes. Philanthropy and the giving pledge. Buffett's commitment to charity grew as he amassed riches via his successful ventures. He promised in 2006 to progressively donate 5 charities, with the bulk benefiting the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, 85% of his shares in Berkshire Hathaway. In 2010, Buffett and Bill and Melinda Gates launched the Giving Pledge, an initiative that encourages billionaires to allocate the bulk of their money to solving the most important issues facing society. Many well-known people and families from all across the globe have backed the promise, demonstrating Buffett's faith in the transformational potential of philanthropy. Berkshire Hathaway's succession planning. As Buffett got closer to 90, there was a lot of interest in the subject of Berkshire Hathaway's succession plans. He said in 2020 that Vice Chairman for Non-Insurance Operations Gregory Abel and Vice Chairman for Insurance Operations Ajit Jain will be promoted to the board of directors. This action was seen by many as a major step toward a seamless handoff of power when the time came. Buffett's focus on the value of selecting the appropriate individuals for executive roles demonstrated his dedication to Berkshire Hathaway's long-term viability and success. The enduring legacy of Warren Buffett. The narrative of Warren Buffett goes beyond his financial achievements to include the values and teachings that shaped his life. His steadfast dedication to value investing, his focus on the inherent worth of companies, and his resilience in the face of economic downturns have had a lasting impression on the financial industry. In addition to his financial knowledge, Buffett's straightforwardness, humor, and grounded style have won over many people. Known as the Woodstock for capitalists, his yearly gatherings in Omaha draw investors, scholars, and entrepreneurs from all over the globe. The life and times of Buffett inspire those who want to be entrepreneurs, investors, or just someone who wants to understand the ins and outs of business and money. It is evidence of the lasting value of perseverance, morality, and a sensible approach to investment. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.